Okay, I've been waiting for this for about 3 weeks now. Not because of that, because they're really sought after. Taking this to France just when we go, which we're going in August. There'll be some new videos coming up then. Oops, it's pretty solid. There we go. Pure outdoor passion. It's the Bighorn 3-legged pan. So let's have a look inside, shall we? Oh, that's a fair beast, I've got to admit. It'll be easier that way. Okay. UK, avoid contact with acid iron. Same as cast iron. Treat it the same way. Oh, that's a big, oh my god. Robens cast iron cookware. Maintenance before first use. Wash your new cookware in hot water with a mild soap or dish detergent, whatever. Rinse thoroughly and dry immediately using a soft, clean tea towel. Seasoning and preparing your cast iron cookware. I'll go through that with you. Let's have a look at this first, okay? Yeah, right, there you go. So you can actually place a normal cooker underneath this. So I'm going to make a bit of a space down the back of the bed down here, so it slides in sideways. Doesn't take up that much room. Right, let's have a look. Well made. You know, a little bit of a you got a spanner slot on each one of the legs as well to tighten them up. They can just sit on the floor as well. Well, look at it. Anyway, let's have a look. I'll put a link in the description down below where I got it from. It's called something leisure, it was called. If I can remember. Well, I've got it on me. I got it on my saved. And we should have a receipt with it anyway. Right. Okay, so they're just in. Good enough. Put him out the way and let's have a good look at him. And there you go. Tighten them up a little bit, tighten the legs up. The idea is you can put a standard cooker underneath, or a fire, or charcoal, whatever you want to do, put underneath. And then you can cook on the top, which is common sense, of course. So wherever you're cooking in the center, you can then bring out to the sides to stay a little bit cooler while you cook, or whatever you want. If you're doing your rice first, let's say in the middle, bring that out, or you're doing your meat first, which would be preferable, I expect. Bring your meat out to the side to let it cool, not cool down, but keep it warm, because the whole thing will be quite hot. But the main meat will be in the middle, and then keep cooking in the middle, and then spread it out. That's the idea. It looks all right to me. Shall we have a bit of a peek at it? All right. So there we go. It's quite big, as this is my hand and my forearm, so it's from tip of finger to my elbow, and that's circumference, or that's all the way around. All right. You've got little studs there sticking out. I presume that they'll be the same height as the legs. I do not know. Well, that's pretty cool. Yeah, myself, my wife and my daughter, we're all going to France on the 20th, so we're going to do a bit of cooking outside, quite a lot of cooking outside actually, and hence the bag of charcoal. And I'm also going to be using a cooker with this. I'll probably use the Whisper Light cooker, because it's got stands on it and it'll be the right sort of distance from the top. Actually, we might have a look at that now while we're here. Give me a second. go, the MSR. If not, I can make a bit of a stand for it anyway. I like the fact that it's also very user-friendly, and you've got the simmer and everything on it, which is great. So that'll go underneath. Oh, pretty good. I could actually just put a brick or something underneath there. There we go. So for a slow cook, you can leave it like that. If you want a bit more heat, anything will do, a rock, a brick, it doesn't really matter. And there we go, that's what's going to happen. So if it even goes to the top there, you see that? Yep. Alright, so that's just a quick insight on my latest purchase for our little French trip. If you enjoyed that video, please give it a thumbs up and a like, that'd be great. I'll put the link for this in the description down below, along with the subscribe button and notification bell on what's coming up next. Alright, take care, and we'll catch you the next one. All the best.